I'm Riley Delvin, and today we're kicking it with club figure skating. So I'm here with Sarah, who is the Vice President of Club Figure Skating, right?
Yep.
Yes. So tell me a little bit about Club Figure Skating, who you guys are, what you do.
Club Figure Skating is a great opportunity on campus to be able to get together with other skaters. We can work on old skills, learn new things. It's really fun to be able to just get together, share the same love, and we take people from like brand new beginners, people who've never skated before, all the way up through competitive levels. So it's really inclusive, and I think we have a really diverse group.
Nice, love it. When do you all meet?
We meet every Thursday at 9-10 p.m. So not too late.
And how does one join the Club Figure Skating?
So yeah, Club Figure Skating is like super easy to join because we don't require any set of skill set coming into it. All you have to do is contact any of the exec board members.
So what does a typical practice on Thursday nights at 9-10 look like for you guys?
So a typical practice is really split up into two different groups. We have our more competitive group, or we also have recreational skaters, so we really just work together to build each other up.
What's your favorite thing about the team?
My favorite thing about Club Figure Skating is just being able to get together every week with fellow skaters, grow as a team together.
Do y'all like do any kind of like events or competitions or anything like that throughout the year?
Yeah, so as a team we have fundraisers throughout the year. So we're in the union a lot. Our fundraisers are to be able to have ice times.
Okay.
And one of our biggest events of the year is Skate for the Cure. It's a good time and it's for a good cause.
So keep an eye out for it in the spring. Skate for the Cure, right?
Yes, Skate for the Cure takes place in the spring.
Do you have anything you want to say to anybody who's considering joining the Club Figure Skating team?
Yeah, of course. I think that it's really just an easygoing environment. There's no pressure. You don't need any sort of skill sets if you're interested in just the sport in general. It's a really good opportunity to be able to learn some new things, and it's really just a fun way to get out and like exercise and do something outside your house.
Okay, there you have it.